Oh yeah, well that, I want to go like outside. It's so beautiful today.
Yeah. It's so beautiful from now on.
There's a big pothole, guys.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
Ow! Ow!
Just bumps like that that knock you off from sitting where I am.
Oh my god, we're going in! Yeah.
Oh my god.
Remember, this is called a river.
Forge.
River. Water.
Ford, not forge. Okay. Forge is when you make something. Ford is when you cross something.
Ford is the car.
You okay?
Yeah, you can tell how high the water gets by looking at the debris field over here on this island, which is part of the property.
Oh, Mocha?
Yeah, Mocha.
Mocha. Oh, here we go.
That's
right, motivations.
I start to slip.
That doesn't good play on words like it's coordination. Like again. Ow!
Yeah. Imagine getting stuck. Oh my god.
You don't
Everyone say hi, I'm
listen.
Billy. Me too. Hello. It's like a boat truck. Boat truck.
So weird.
I know. Isn't it?
Idea of this is very strange. Water. Don't try this in your own car.
Extreme.
Well, have you seen those scuba trucks that have like snorkels on them? You drive like all the way into the water.
Oh yeah, with the glass.
And the snorkel just sticks out of the top.
That is so